everyone and welcome to Groovy Kids. Today, me and my mum are going to be making banana bread. So the reason we're doing this is because we got a ton of overripe bananas. So right now I'm just mushing them up. I want to mush them up till like they're like nearly a liquid. By the way, this is my mum.
Hi everyone!
So now it's all smooshed up like a bit of a liquid, and we've got all our ingredients. We are pressing up some cinnamon bark in the pestle and mortar so that it becomes cinnamon powder. So I'm pretty sure I just finished crushing this. We're going to start mixing the dry ingredients together now. And by the way, if you don't have measuring cups, or if you're really young, you can just use like coffee cups. So with the sugar, it can be white sugar or brown sugar, and you just need one coffee cup of it. Now I'm going to pour this into the the self-raising flour. And so how much do you need?
2.5 cups.
2.5 cups. So this is 1 cup. 2 cups and 1/2 cup. Half a cup. That is a lot. So now we need a pinch of salt, because even the most sweet desserts need a pinch of salt. So now we're going to use a whisk to mix this, and instead of self-raising flour, but use wholemeal flour and baking soda. I am not very good at this, so I'm going to give it to my mom to mix. It's mostly getting white. Yeah, so now that we finished mixing these dry ingredients, we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to get back our mushed up banana. So you can use oil or butter, but we think that oil is a bit healthier. So we're going to use that, and tell me if it's enough. Enough?
Keep going. Yep, that's enough.
So just mix it up a little bit. Now, milk. So if you are dairy free, you can use any type of milk. But we're using full cream milk. So tell me if it's enough again.
That's enough.
Yeah, so we just added some vanilla essence, which is this. This is like completely optional, and we are just trying something out because we can't have egg. So now, okay, so we'll add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Probably should do it like a little bit at a time because you don't want it to smash. We can use the wet ingredients fork because we're anyways going to mix it up. Oh wow, that's a lot. We are just preheating our oven because this is going to be ready really soon. So can you say how much? By the way, you'll need an adult to do all the oven work because it's dangerous. So we have preheated our oven to 180 degrees and that's Celsius. And you need to cook your banana bread for 20 minutes. So now goes the whisk. It's starting to get thick, so we go to whisk, whisk, whisk. In case you're getting bored, I have a joke for you. So, why did the banana bread go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. We have just lined our baking tray in baking paper and oil underneath so that it doesn't stick, and it looks like this. So now our self-raising flour is setting very quickly, so we're going to quickly pour this into the tray.